With the development of technologies, the problem of environmental pollution becomes more severe over time, and various types of health and care products emerge in the market. However, their effects are still questionable. Regardless whether the products purchased are of nano, far infrared, or negative ion function, consumers shall always look for the product inspection report with detailed data certified by agencies of credibility in order to prevent wrongful purchases of products that can result in a waste of money and even be damaging to health. NDC Nano Energy Ceramic is a functional ceramic that applies nanotechnology and far-infrared minerals to the ceramic glaze at the same time and is manufactured using a high-temperature sintering method. The surface of the ceramic glaze is able to naturally generate nano characteristics. Far-infrared and negative ions produce radioactive energy, which is able to decompose the bonding among the impurities and the molecules effectively, and reorganize the cluster structure of liquids and gases. After the impurities are separated from the cluster structure, a portion is attached onto the surface of the ceramic glaze, and a portion becomes ions or gases that subsequently disappear, achieving the effect of purifying liquids and gases. 6 main features. 1. Approved by patent evaluation committees of various countries as ceramic glaze manufactured to have nano-characteristic and far-infrared emission effect. 2. The inspection by the Taiwan Institute of Nuclear Energy Research indicates it is of the alpha and beta radiation rays of the natural thorium series, uranium series, and potassium-40 charged particles with weak penetrating power, and is not gamma radiation, artificial gamma radioactive nuclide. The inspection by the Industrial Technology Research Institute of Taiwan indicates it has excellent far-infrared. Its functions are permanent and safe, and it is applicable in cool, hot, and cold conditions. 3. The 4-item inspection by SGS indicates that it passes the test on lead and cadmium content, overall dissolving solid test, microwave test, and dishwasher test, thus ensuring safety. 4. The 16-item SGS inspection indicates that the ceramic itself is antibacterial, anti-fouling, capable of effectively purifying liquids and gases, capable of reducing total bacteria count in the water, as well as redox reaction potential ratio, chlorine content, incrustation, pesticide residues, chromaticity, and fluoride, and is capable of neutralizing pH level, releasing trace elements, and increasing dissolved oxygen content in order to purify into water with small clusters. The inspection by Environmental Technology Research Center, Yuanze University indicates the water cluster is smaller than 3 nanometers. The cleaner the water without impurities, the smaller the water cluster. 5. Effectively purifying water quality, optimizing drinks, capable of being used for rice cooking, food stewing, etc. In addition, the purified water can also be used for face cleaning, vegetable cleaning, etc., and applied in medical care, scraping, massage, etc. 6. Self-test can be conducted via DIY method in order to understand the effect readily. Product applications. All the materials used to make NDC Nano Energy ceramic products are the same, featuring the same functions. Different shapes can be applied in different containers and used for different purposes. Healthcare Ceramic Series. It can be used in healthcare, scraping, massage, and to bring greater living quality. If it includes additionally processed flower patterns, it is not suitable for water purification or microwave. Health Ceramic Series. Different shapes can be applied in different containers and are suitable for secondary purification of drinking water. It is applicable in simple filtering, such as cotton gauze filtering. Or after a water purifier, it can perform water quality secondary purification, which is suitable for decomposing and purifying impurities of small molecules, such as incrustation, chemical substances, etc. However, it is unable to decompose and purify impurities of large particles, such as sand, iron rust, etc. Nevertheless, the tap water purified should still be boiled for drinking. The purified tap water can also be used for cleaning vegetables, meat, clothing, etc. When it is used in beverages such as tea, wine, coffee, etc., it can reduce the sour taste in order to make tastier drinks. It can be used in rice cooking, noodle cooking, and food stewing in order to make dishes more delicious. It can be used in face and hair cleaning, as well as showering, in order to reduce harmful substances in the water and to further clean and moisturize the skin. It can be used in gardening and on plants, in order to allow the plants to absorb water easier. It can be used in fish tanks for fish breeding, in order to constantly keep the water clean and to allow the color of fish to be more appealing. Healthcare Ceramic Series. According to different method of use, we provide the products of bracelets, necklaces, massage rings, and scraping boards in order to satisfy your various demands. Energy 1 second test. Use a heavy object or a water bucket filled with water, approximately 5 to 20 kilograms. With your right hand, touch the NDC Nano Energy ceramic. Then use your left hand to slowly lift the heavy object and place it down. Next, remove your right hand without touching anything and use your left hand to slowly lift the heavy object again. The difference in force required to lift the heavy objects can be felt. Radiation-free test. Use a heavy object or a water bucket filled with water, approximately 5 to 20 kilograms. With your right hand, touch the NDC Nano Energy ceramic. Then use your left hand to slowly lift the heavy object and place it down. Next, use a piece of tissue paper to cover the NDC Nano Energy ceramic. With your right hand, touch the ceramic covered with the tissue paper. Then use your left hand to slowly lift the heavy object and place it down. The difference in force required to lift the heavy objects can be felt. It means the energy of NDC Nano Energy ceramic cannot penetrate the tissue paper. The white dots are leukocytes. And after coming in contact with the ceramic, the flow speed of the leukocytes obviously increases. The white dots are leukocytes and have a higher flow speed after coming in contact with the ceramic. However, once separated by tissue paper, the speed becomes slower. Wave energy test. 2 people hold hands. One person uses their right hand to touch the NDC Nano Energy ceramic, and the other person uses their left hand to slowly lift a heavy object and place it down. Next, one person removes their right hand from the NDC Nano Energy ceramic, and the other person uses their left hand to lift the heavy object slowly again. The difference in force required to lift the heavy objects can be felt. It means the energy of the NDC Nano Energy ceramic can be transmitted via the human body. Health Ceramic Series. According to different usage needs, there are other series of health ceramics, tea set, wine glass set, and living ceramics, creating more healthy living for you at any time. 1 second activation test. Prepare 2 cups of an identical material and pour a common and familiar beverage into cup number 2. Then allow half of the beverage contained in cup number 2 to pass through the NDC Nano Energy ceramic in order to further flow into cup number 1. Now, drink the beverage in cup number 1 first, then drink the beverage in cup number 2. Difference in the tastes of the beverages of the 2 cups can be felt, which indicates that the partial purification effect has been achieved instantly. Small water cluster test. Prepare water of approximately 200 milliliters and 2 cups of an identical material. First, pour the water into cup number 2, then allow half of the water contained in cup number 2 to pass through the NDC Nano Energy ceramic in order to further flow into cup number 1. Next, dip 2 different fingers of the right hand into cup number 1 and cup number 2 respectively. Wipe a portion of finer skin on the left hand with the 2 fingers separately, sliding them gently back and forth on the skin. For individuals with finer skin, the difference in smoothness can be tested. For individuals with normal skin, the difference in skin absorption can be tested. Since cleaner water contains no impurities, the water cluster is smaller and feels smoother upon application, and can also be absorbed by the skin more easily. Energy-saving test. Prepare 2 containers of the same material and pour in equal amount of water. Number 1 container contains no ceramic. Number 2 container contains the ceramic. Then, use an electromagnetic stove to boil the water in the 2 containers respectively. It can be found that, due to the ceramic placed inside number 2 container, the water clusters become smaller and the surface area for heating becomes greater. Therefore, the time required for boiling the water is reduced. Long period of time test. Prepare 2 identical containers and place the same amount of water inside, approximately 5 to 10 liters. Number 1 container contains the ceramic, while number 2 container does not. Allow the 2 containers to sit for 1 night. Observe the difference between the water quality of the 2 containers, such as clarity, water temperature, skin absorbance, moisture retention, smoothness, surface tension, and taste. It means that the water has undergone changes to achieve the effect of purification. Q&A. Question 1. What are the benefits of using NDC nano-energy ceramic? Answer 1. It is able to purify water quality, reduce the large water cluster's size into smaller water clusters, and allow the water to be absorbed by the human body more easily. It can be used in healthcare, scraping, massage, and to bring greater living quality. It has the merits of being convenient to use, safe, and readily felt effects. Question 2. How long can the function of the NDC nano-energy ceramic last? Answer 2. Its function is permanent and safe, and it is suitable for cool, hot, and cold states. Question 3. How to care for and clean NDC nano-energy ceramic? Answer 3. After each use, simply use clean water or neutral cleaning agent for cleaning. If the glazed surface is found to be atomized or attached with calcareous material, such material is incrustation. Please use citric acid or vinegar for cleaning. Question 4. Can NDC nano-energy ceramic be placed into a microwave for use? Answer 4. According to SGS testing, it can be safely placed into a microwave for use. However, if there is metal finishing or electric paper, please do not place it into the microwave for use. Question 5. In case of the breakage of NDC nano-energy ceramic, can it still be used? Answer 5. If it is broken or has cracks, please do not use it, in order to prevent injuries due to sharp parts. Unless the glazed layer is worn out, its function is permanent, and it can still be placed in a container such as water bucket, vase, fish tank, etc. Question 6. What are the cautions for NDC nano-energy ceramic? Answer 6. It is a ceramic product. Therefore, please do not strike it with heavy impact. The water of smaller water clusters generated due to the ceramic is of greater cleaning ability, which is prone to peel off the containment on containers. This is a normal phenomenon. However, please still be aware of whether the containers have proper plating and painting.